Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can see Snapchat favorites. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And let's begin. First, open your Snapchat application and log into your account. Once you log in, tap on the Memories icon at the bottom left side of the camera screen. This will take you to your memories. Here you will find your saved stories and snaps. Now to see your Snapchat favorites, simply go to the story section, and here you can now see this favorite album. Just tap on it to view your favorite snaps. If you want one favorite snap first, just tap on the snap to open it. Once you have opened it, simply tap on this heart icon at the bottom left corner. After that, the snap will now be removed from this favorite section. So that's basically how you can see Snapchat favorites. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.